Hi, my name is Craig Ellingson, and in this video we will talk about hooking up a Power Film Unwind on an Eastey L-bar sealer. When you receive your Eastey L-bar sealer and you ordered a Power Film Unwind, the Power Film Unwind will be disconnected from the L-bar sealer. There will be a pigtail off of the Eastey L-bar sealer that will hook up your Power Film Unwind. Please make sure to disconnect power before installing the Power Film Unwind. To access the electrical hookup of the Power Film Unwind, you'll need to remove the 4 Allen-headed screws that hold on the electrical cover. Electrical cover will be notified by this caution sticker. There should be a zip tie right in this location of the Power Film Unwind that you will stick your pigtail through the zip tie. To hook up the electrical components. There's 3 wires. You'll have a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. The black and white wire will go to the fuses. Does not matter which location, and the green wire will go to the grounding screw. One thing to take note when reinstalling the electrical cover is there's a notch in the bottom of the cover that will surround the cable. The Power Film Unwind will be bolted onto the L-bar sealer by the 1/2-inch bolts that should be pre-mounted in the end of the L-bar sealer. These are 1/2-inch hex head bolts. Thanks for watching this video on how to hook up the Power Film Unwind. If you'd like to see more videos, head on to our YouTube channel or head on to Eastey.com.